When users are collaborating in a single document, they have the option to follow another collaborator, allowing the follower to see the other user's actions in view. To access follow mode on a mobile device, tap the collaborator icon on the document toolbar at the top of the interface. A collaborator dialog appears, displaying the name of the collaborator. Tap on the collaborator's name to start following the user. An indicator appears on the Assembly tab and in the top right corner of the interface, stating you're following another user. While following another user, you can see the collaborator's actions and movements within the document. The collaborator's cursor's movements are represented by a hand mimicking the same social cue icon color. Also, view orientation and render modes of components, selection made in the graphics area, and movement of components are visible while in follow mode. If the user changes tabs to another Part Studio or Assembly, the follower goes with them. Additionally, the creation of new folders within the assembly list or features and sketches in a Part Studio is visible in follow mode. You may also be followed when using mobile by another user. To exit follow mode, tap anywhere within the interface. This video demonstrated how to access follow mode on your mobile device.